Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenDots ONE earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense smart TV via Bluetooth. This is the Hisense TV that has Google TV. So first thing is, let's go ahead and put these earbuds into pairing mode. Both the buds are in the case. I'm going to open it up. I'll notice in pairing mode the light here is blinking green, orange, green, orange. However, I get a solid green light and then mine turns off. So for myself, let me just manually put this into pairing mode. If I look on the back here, you have a little round button. You press and hold that button and wait until it starts blinking green, orange, okay? So button here, ready, press and hold, keep holding, wait. Okay, green, orange, go ahead and let go, leave it just like this. And now shoot over to your TV and go to your settings. You can click on the settings button on your remote if you have it. If not, just go to the home page. Click on the home button on the remote and just navigate to that gear icon on the top right hand side. So let me move on over. And now make sure all settings is highlighted and then OK on the remote. Left pane here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories. Oops. Go all the way down. Remotes and accessories right there. OK that. OK on the remote. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, okay? And now we're going to go down one right here, the pair accessory. Let's go ahead and select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. These are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking the green, orange. So let's just wait here. What do you know? There it is right there. I'm going to go ahead. It's already highlighted. Okay on the remote. It says pairing. We get a pairing request, okay on the remote, and then we'll, okay, it said connected, and we know it's connected now because you get the solid green light there. And you can go back here and you can see, we go to the open dots, you can see it says connected right there. Okay, so pretty simple. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't pair this or had issues connecting, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.